Okay, trying to test this. Trying to test this. Okay, trying to test this. Trying to test this. Okay, trying to test this. Trying to test this. Okay, trying to test this. Trying to test this. Okay, this. This.
All right. All right. All right, guys. Just actually testing out how this stuff works. Okay, so. All right, guys. Just actually testing out how this stuff works. Okay, so. All right, guys. Just actually testing out how this stuff works. Okay, so. So, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? So, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Type 1 on the chat box if you can hear me. Type 1 on the chat box if you can hear me. Type 1 on the chat box if you can hear me. Type 1 on the chat box if you can hear me. All right, awesome, awesome. Nice to have you guys. Actually, I think I'm seeing some nice setup in the market, so that should bring you guys attention to it. Okay. All right. So, what are you guys trading this morning, and how is it going so far? So, what pairs do you guys want us to analyze this morning?
And now today is just Tuesday and second trading day of the week. What are you guys trading so far? All right, Mr. eBay. Okay, XAUSD, XAUSD, XAUSD. Okay, gold is quite creepy right now, but at least for the projections in which we had last week. Okay, during the weekend they are playing out nicely. Okay, they are playing out nicely because we were looking for, let me take this out. We were looking for price to come into these areas, okay, which you can see that red triangle there at the time, and price to continue bullish, okay, back to this zone. Then we now have a drop. Okay, so looking at market structure wise, price is still very much bullish. Okay, price is still very much bullish as it stands. Okay, price is still very much bullish as it stands. So what I'm also looking at gold myself because I wanted to sell from these areas, but from what I'm seeing on the DXY, okay, from what I'm seeing on the DXY, guys, it doesn't look that good for the sales. Why is it so? Because if the DXY would continue bearish, okay, which price is still very much consolidating on the DXY, okay, yeah, that means we would be having a bullish gold, okay. That means we'll be having a bullish gold. So that's why I like trading off zones. Let me extend this like so. Okay, so I'm more like looking for price to either clear these zones, retest, and a continuations to 3392 ounce, okay, to the upside for gold. How can you take a possible opportunity of this? Okay, you have to go to the lower time frames. Okay, maybe your 1 hour, your 15 minutes. Then you can look for that nice break and retest. Um, Let me bring back my indicator. Okay, you look for those nice break and retests on the minute time frame. Then you can buy to the upsides. Okay. So for me, I'm looking for something that looks like this. Okay, there's something I call the hidden divergence. Price to come down here and then it continues to the upside. So when I see that playing out, I would now start looking for the bullish side of things. So for now, we are still very much stuck in these zones. Okay, we are still very much stuck in these zones right now. So we will just have to wait for price to do its thing. Then before we can react as the case may be. So I think price looks very much bullish. Okay, price looks very much bullish. If we want to if you want to look at the DXY from what the DXY is doing currently, guys, actually currently from what the DXY is doing currently, we can see the XY is still trying to push itself to the downsides, and the XY is still ranging. Okay, the XY is still ranging around these zones. Okay, so it's yet to clear these areas in which I have been looking for price to clear these areas for the longest of time. Okay, looking left, and is yet to clear this minor area too on the hour time, lower time frame. So try as much as possible to be patient enough for any trade that has to do with the USD moving forward, okay, before we could take them. And I believe why price is also doing so is because tomorrow we are expecting CPI. Okay, although I've not been hoping so much on the fundamentals lately since Mr. Trump got into power, you all may agree with me that the fundamentals has not been as volatile as it has been in previous years before now. Okay, so just hope that of tomorrow has volatility that may help push price to the required direction. That's why you guys are seeing me hesitating to take in trade so far because I'm still walking around these zones. Okay, price is still very much stuck in a zone or in a range in a consolidation, which means price is going sideways. Okay, so I need a clear breakout to either the bearish sides or the bullish sides. Then with this, it will help us have a good projections towards price on which directional bias in which we should be going for. So yeah, that's actually it for gold. I hope that helps. Okay, I hope that helps. That's actually it for gold. Even my ask me right now, I'll stick to the bullish sides until DXY shows me otherwise. Okay, until DXY shows me otherwise. So, which other pair do you guys want us to analyze? Which other pair? Please help us share this content. Help us share before we continue. Help us share, like and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Okay, share our content. Let me give you guys 3 seconds to do that. To share our content on your trading platforms or your social media. Is it your WhatsApp status, your Facebook status, or your Instagram status? Okay, just help us to share the good news so we could have more people join us and also interact on the comment sections. I'm seeing all your comments and trying as much as possible to go through them to answer your questions too. So yeah, help us share, smash that subscribe button, like also. I hope you guys are hearing me. I hope our audio is good. Let me know on the chat box. Let me know on the chat box if my audio is good enough. Can you guys hear me?